Look, do you remember when President Clinton left and went to Andrews Air Force Base, then gave like a 45-minute State of the Union speech to his assembled followers out there?
Right.
So it would be interesting to see what his remarks are.
This helicopter is no longer Marine One either. Marine One is a fleet of helicopters, U.S. Marine Corps helicopters, that carry when the president's aboard, it's Marine One. These are heavily fortified, armored, the most fortified and armored of any helicopters like that. They just have a whole new fleet of them, in fact. They're quite nice inside. All right, here we go.
Joe Biden.
Everyone with short memories will first recall that harsh words were spoken by these two gentlemen, Barack Obama and Joe Biden, as candidates about George W. Bush and his presidency. As we commented earlier, these things go away at a time like this. Although, David, would you not think it's safe to say that some of the words President Obama spoke in his speech just now could be interpreted as criticism of his predecessor?
Yes, and I gather there was some booing of President Bush when he was introduced in the crowd. I would think this would be the first moment for President Bush, or former President Bush, when he's alone in the helicopter, away from the crowd, that the mantle of power really feels like it's slipping away.
There it is. And the plan is to circle around for a few moments. He gets for a last look at the Capitol. Honor Guard. That was the shouted orders to the Honor Guard. There goes the helicopter now toward Andrews Air Force Base. Now the Obamas and the Bidens will go inside to the statuary. There's you can see the city better there. Yeah, it is. It's going in the westerly direction, so that means they are going to circle around. Because we are looking due west. This view is due west. The helicopter, which you can barely see, is still off there to the right, to our right on the screen. It's going to circle back around and come to the east, because Andrews Air Force Base is east of Washington.
That's 15 long blocks of people we saw on the mall, from the Capitol to Washington, to the Washington Monument.
And beyond that to the Lincoln Memorial.
Yeah, that's right.